What's up, everybody? It is Mr. Jenkins here at mgmclassiccars.com, Addison, Illinois. And today I'm bringing all of you this mean 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle 454 SS clone. It has a later model Chevy 350 with a Holley Sniper EFI system that runs great. I mean, it runs fantastic. Let me close this hood here for you. It's got headers, dual exhaust, all the things you'll ever need. Just sounds great. I love how it sounds personally. It's got your torque thrust wheels all around. You got your SS badging. It's in a cranberry red color with black SS stripes. Go in the interior here. It is a bench seat car, which I actually like the bench seat a lot. I think it looks great. Interior's in great shape. Missing its few things here and there, but for the age of this car, it is in wonderful, wonderful condition. Door panels, door jambs, all looks great. Paint shines great. Those torque thrust wheels add a timeless look to the car. Let me show you the interior on this side here. You got your Chevrolet 3-spoke comfort grip steering wheel. That's what these things were called. They look great. Horn works. That's also pretty cool to see a horn work. There's your door jambs, all your door jambs. Great shape. Your odometer reads 77,000 miles. It's an original AC car, but the AC is not hooked up at the moment. Here's your Sniper EFI controller. You got your gauges down here. Here's your aftermarket radio. Just an overall pretty cool car. You could drive this car anywhere. The EFI really helps it. I'll show you the trunk here. The trunk is in fantastic shape for what it is. Here's the trunk. You got your spare tire, jack, everything where it should be. Here's your quarter panels. All great shape. I mean, what a fantastic car. There's your Chevelle badging. This car is just a great car to drive anywhere. You could take it to car shows. We just got this car in not too long ago, probably a couple days ago. It's got front disc brakes. I mean, it's pretty much ready to go. This car is located at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois. We have around 250 cars. Here's just one of our warehouses. If you'd like to see some photos of this car, you could go on mgmclassiccars.com. We have underneath photos, everything you need to see. If you're interested in this car, you can call 847-848-1850. Please like this video, subscribe, follow all of our social medias, and I hope to see all of you checking out this 1971 Chevelle here at MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. Everyone have a great day, and thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.